Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's almost 2 months already when they introduced the Insta360 1-hour edition. I was about to pre-order sana nang malaman ko na hindi pa available ang software that time. Naisip ko na it will be better siguro kung give it a little time sa users feedback and then sample footage kung worth it ba to spend $600 with this gadget. Until now, back order pa rin siya. So the only choices I have is to order it sa Insta360 website. And then it takes a total of 6 days from ordering to shipping the product. And then considering na galing ito sa China and with all the coronavirus issue, I was glad na hindi naman siya ganun katagal bago ma-deliver. So, let's do the unboxing. So, marami na siyang unboxing video sa YouTube. Pero, I decided to make one para ma-share ko yung experience ko using this product. There you go. So ito ang Insta360 Twin Edition. And then aside that, nag-order din ako ng additional na battery base, and then a lens card, and then nag-order ako ng invisible selfie stick and also yung mic adapter. So, okay, let's check this out. Matagal ko nang pinaplano na karoon ng 360 camera pero hindi makapag-decide kasi parang nakukulangan ako dun sa Insta360 One X. And then I was hoping na maglabas din ng GoPro ng similar version na pwedeng mag-compete sa Insta360. I'm not a big fan kasi ng modular na camera katulad nitong Insta360 One. Pero, yeah. So far, ito yung pinaka maganda sa market na Insta360. So, I didn't have any choice kundi get one. So, here we go. So, ito yung nasa loob ng Insta360 1-hour na box. So, yung 4K wide angle mode, and then yung kanyang 1-core, and then yung dual lens 360. Battery base, mounting bracket, and then the Type-C USB cable, and then yung lens cloth, at yung manual, quick start guide, at yung lens cap.
It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my fingers you'd come to me. Then all of a sudden it became reality. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind, your love, it is all that I need. Now I'm on my feet, I'm dancing to the pounding of your heartbeat. Your eyes sing the sweetest melody. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind, your love, it is all that I need. Your loving, all I need is your love.